Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me for some quick cleaning motivation. I'm starting here in the kitchen, putting on my music so I can get started and clean the kids' bathroom and the living room as well. So here I am just washing the dishes while my husband looks around for a snack. Unfortunately, we do not have a dishwasher in this house we are living in, so everything has to be hand washed, and I just set it out to dry. I just feel like we always have a mountain of dishes to do all the time between being stuck at home and our two young kids. I have a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old who seem to always be hungry, and I'm sure we're not the only ones. I ended up getting a phone call in the middle of dishes and forgot to hit record when I came back to finish, but they did get finished, and now I'm going to get ready to clean the sink. And I like to use Barkeeper's Friend for my porcelain sink. I've tried a bunch of other products and they just didn't work on a lot of the stains in my sink, but I got the powder formula of the Barkeeper's Friend and it works perfectly. Next, I'm just going to wipe down this backsplash area and my counters, and I don't have a lot of counter space in this kitchen, so I feel like it just always gets cluttered. My husband, he always puts his electronics and his phones and computers up here to charge, so I'm looking for a console table to put up in the living room and set up as a catch-all there for him so I can take back that space and keep it clear. And then here, I'm just showing a before of my stove, and I'm going to get to cleaning that. Next, I'm just going to tidy up this dining area and put those Cokes and waters away and off the floor. Next up, I'm just going to be taking off all this stuff off the fridge so I can go ahead and wipe it down. Lots of fingerprints and even footprints from the little ones just being grimy as usual. Also, please ignore the paint chips on the wall, but basically we're renting this house and my husband's in construction. He says that they use an oil-based paint and without priming it, so basically it just keeps peeling off, and the kids don't help. They keep peeling off. I repaint, but I don't own it, so we'll deal with it for now. Next up, I am moving into the kids' bathroom just to do a quick cleanup in here. I do the showers every other week, and I did that last week. So I'm just doing the toilets and the sink for now, but I use the black lime and rust toilet cleaner by Lysol. We have super hard water where we live, so this just seems to work the best and keep the toilet clean. I also like to use Fabuloso as a multi-purpose cleaner to wipe down the toilet and the sink. And here I'm just going to wipe down the mirror quickly with my Sprayway glass cleaner, which is seriously the best window cleaner ever, and it smells so good and so clean. And when I'm wiping down things that aren't too dirty, like countertops or the sink or the table, I like to just use a microfiber cloth and water. It cleans so well and makes cleanup so much quicker. I just go around and wipe everything down, walls and all that. And so this is an after, excuse my nail in the way, and an after of the sink. I noticed while I was in here that the door seemed super grimy and dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down and then grab a Clorox wipe to go around and clean the doorknob, the toilet flusher, the faucet, and the light switch, which isn't pictured, but I did it. At this point, it is now after dinner. I've done the dishes another time, and my husband is getting my kids off to bed. And next, I'm gonna go around and sweep my floors. I guess vacuum my floors, but I like to do the floors all at once just because I hate getting the vacuum out and putting it back away. I do have a stick vacuum that I use for a quick cleanup, normally just after dinner kind of, but it just doesn't seem to really suck stuff up. So I pull this out and do my floors when they're really dirty. And this is the Bissell Hard Floor Expert, which does well with sucking things up, but I just hate lugging it around, and it does kind of take up a lot of space when you store it. And my house is super small and does not have a lot of storage space, so I really don't have a good spot for it to be stored, and it just kind of takes up space in our master bathroom. And I really want to get a Dyson, but this is what I'm working with for now. Notice some kid, that's where my daughter sits, so there must have been a lot of crumbs that night. Now I'm moving into our living room, which I tidied up but completely forgot to record. And so I'm just gonna sweep in here quickly before I start steam mopping. I'm going to finish up by mopping in the kitchen, and I'm missing a seat cushion because my daughter had spilled on it earlier in the day, so I had it queued up for the wash. That's it for tonight, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my very first video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Bye!